Passive income, let's talk about it. So passive income is the exact opposite of active income. And active income is pretty much what everybody does. They trade their time for money. And passive income is when you basically don't have to trade your time for money. The income just comes in and you can go and sit on a beach or do whatever the hell you want. So there's really two ways to earn passive income. So listen carefully, guys, because you're going to want to be able to put both of these together. The first way to earn passive income is to invest in things like dividend paying stocks or property that pays rental income, or perhaps in a high interest bank account. These three ways are classic ways to make passive income, and essentially you don't get more passive than those. The problem is, for most people, to earn enough passive income from those methods to be able to not have to work, you would have to have a lazy couple of million sitting around to be able to do that. Fortunately, there's a second way to make passive income. So in the second method of earning passive income, you basically invest in yourself and you generate income from things that you do up front that then have a shelf life. Then they're evergreen, we call it. So in other words, you can earn passive income for a long period of time. And I'll give you some examples. Well, one of them is this video. This video could potentially be on YouTube for a very long time and earn passive income through the ad program that YouTube has to pay its creators. Or perhaps you could earn income through creating a website that has affiliate links. In that case, you need to learn how to do SEO and then get traffic to come to your website such that people click on links within that website that go to partners that you work with that then pay you a commission. That's pretty much how I've supported a family for four for the last 10 years or more. So it's a pretty good one. Another way to earn passive income is through ebooks. You write the ebook up front and then you can earn passive income for a long time to come. So the beauty of putting the second method of earning passive income together with the first method of earning passive income is that you can essentially compound your efforts. So with the second method of passive income, there is effort that you need to put up front. But if you live below your means, in other words, if your expenditure is below the amount that you earn, and you can do that by just being frugal, then you can invest those profits into things that generate passive income. So essentially, you're generating passive income to invest to earn more passive income, and that compounds. So not only are you compounding your skills to be an ebook writer or to be an affiliate income earner or to be a YouTuber, you are generating passive income that is having children, and those children are having children. Guys, I hope you found this helpful. Use passive income to do whatever the hell you want with your life. Go for a walk in the bush, take a day off. Well, leave your comments below. I'd love to know your questions about passive income, or just let me know where you are at in your journey. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.